Hello friends, welcome to my channel Gadget Premi. This is Samir and I hope you're doing good. So friends, what happened was I was using a Dell mouse which was nearly 3 years old. Unfortunately, it stopped responding to the scroll button. It was a multi-device mouse, means it was able to connect to the multiple devices. I also tried to repair that mouse, but unfortunately it was not repairable. Hence, I was looking for an alternative solution. So I found Lenovo 600 Bluetooth silent mouse on Amazon, and I got this for rupees 1400, which was pretty much under my budget. And as you can see from this box, it has a very low profile design. It is very slim. It works on Bluetooth 5.0, and it can connect easily between two different devices. So let's do a quick unboxing. So this is what you get inside the box. Lenovo has given a AA alkaline battery. Now, alkaline batteries are always recommended when you use with electronic devices because they have a longer life. And Lenovo has also claimed that the battery life is 1 year once you insert the battery in this mouse. So it's quite power efficient. The mouse has a silver glossy finish on the top, and it is very slim in design, as you can see from this angle. The buttons of this mouse are very smooth and they are barely audible. That's the reason they are silent. And there is a DPI button where you can change the resolution of this mouse. So this mouse comes with three different resolutions. It can work on 2400, 1600, and 800 resolutions, which can be switched from this one single button. Now let's take a look at the bottom side. So there is a switch which can toggle between two different Bluetooth devices. The center one is the switch off button. If you switch it on, it is connected to the first Bluetooth device. And if you just toggle it down, it can connect to the second Bluetooth device. And this is the link button which helps you to connect your Bluetooth devices. And this is the manual which no one bothers to read. So let's keep this aside. And let me show you how to insert the battery inside this mouse. It's quite simple. So let me first remove this plastic wrap. Now inserting the battery is very simple. In order to insert the battery, you need to remove this cover from the top of the mouse. It is magnetically attached, and as you can see, it has these magnetic points which gets attached on the body of the mouse. And once you have inserted the battery, you can just place it like this and it gets locked inside. So you just have to insert this battery with the correct polarity. Make sure you insert in a right polarity, and if the mouse is turned on, you will see this white light blinking. And once it is done, you just have to place this cover on the top and it gets locked. Now, in order to turn on, you just have to toggle this switch. I have already kept it on Bluetooth 1, so it is turned on at the moment. And you'll see there is a LED light on the top side of the mouse, and also there is a blue light inside the sensor of the mouse. So once the mouse is turned on, you will see this lights blinking. And if the mouse is not correctly connected, there will be an amber LED which will glow on the top side of the mouse. So let me show you how this mouse is connected to the computer and the other devices. Please keep watching. I have two laptops here for demonstration purpose, and this is the Lenovo 600 mouse. Now, in order to pair to the first laptop, I'll toggle the switch on the Bluetooth one, and I will click on this pairing button. So as soon as you click on pairing button, a pop-up will show up on the laptop. You will have to immediately click on connect, and once you click on connect, this will be automatically connected to the first laptop and the mouse is ready for use. So you can see the mouse pointer is moving right now. Now in order to connect to the second laptop, you just have to toggle the switch to the Bluetooth second device as shown here, and you'll have to again click on the link button, and as soon as you click on this link button, immediately on the pop-up click on connect. So the Bluetooth mouse gets connected on the second device. So the second laptop will be showing this mouse movements now. So let me show it to you. So this is how the mouse movements on the second laptop, and if you would like to switch on to the first laptop again, you just have to click on, you'll have to toggle the switch on the Bluetooth device one, and this will start working on the first laptop. So this is the demonstration between two laptops. Now I'll be demonstrating between a laptop and an Android device. So my left side laptop is already connected as Bluetooth device one, I'll be toggling this switch to Bluetooth device 2 as shown over here. And I have a Android phone for demonstration. So in this phone, you just have to open the Bluetooth settings and you'll have to scan for Bluetooth devices. So once you scan for Bluetooth devices, just click on this link button and it should immediately show as Lenovo Bluetooth mouse. So click on that and you should see the pair pop up. Just click on pair and your mouse should be ready for use. So if I show it over here, this mouse will show the mouse movements. So this is how you connect the mouse with this particular Android device. So only two devices will be connected at one particular time. So that is laptop 1. And the second device is the Android device, which we had connected earlier. So guys, this is all about Lenovo 600 Bluetooth mouse. In case if you have any queries, please make sure to comment on this video. And if you feel that this video is informative, please make sure to like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.